everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thank you so much for joining me here. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Quick look here again at MYRO, double checking this ascending trend line, bearish backtest. We're going to double check a few other key factors as well on the larger and smaller time frame. So if you're new to the channel, welcome aboard. Thank you so much for watching. I do have a trading academy, community, and signals group if you're curious and you want to become a better trader. We had some pretty awesome results. We had 5 short positions take profit here yesterday and the day before, at least over the last week or so. We've been kind of short heavy, and a few older longs that got stopped out. So it's just kind of the nature of it, folks. Sometimes you got to hedge some longs with some shorts, and it just all balances out. All right, so MYRO, is this worth short or long? I get the question a lot right now. Well, we are retesting this 20-day SMA and just got rejected here today. Currently printing a doji candle, which does imply indecision. It's very early to tell, though. We got 5 hours left in this candle, so let's not jump the gun. Take a look at the, this is not good. Money flow index is pulling back, RSI is under 50, and stochastic swinging down. Those are generally bearish signs here, letting us know the overall macro is due for a continuation to the downside. Same thing here with MACD. We're diverging quite strong, so this little uptrend really didn't hold as strong as it could have. So MYRO's not looking fantastic on the daily. But I got news for you. Most coins are showing the same thing right now, okay? So it's not like a super big surprise. We can see money flow index and RSI kind of hanging out at this like low level. This is common when the price is about ready to continue to the lower range. We can see stochastic continuing as lower as well, and then MACD still diverging, okay? So a lot of reasons why it's not advantageous to consider a long position right now. And you may want to kind of shift your mindset to price action going down further, okay? Because again, we're breaking below this level here at about 25.4 cents, and there's a good chance we could see the price continue lower, even as low as about 19.8, okay? So again, in this scenario here, we keep retesting this most recent low, and as we continue to retest it, we are more likely to break, okay? So again, just some things to kind of pay attention to. Is this an exact guarantee? No, but I'm seeing this pattern a lot with other coins too. If you're kind of just draw it out, you can see the price actions continually making lower parallel lows, and then it's making lower highs as well. So generally that implies the price is going to break down, especially if Bitcoin continues to retrace the way that it has. It's definitely looking quite bearish here. So we're below all moving averages on the 4-hour time frame. We take a look at the hourly. We can confirm likely as well. We're also below all moving averages here. The Ichimoku cloud. This is one of those indicators kind of letting us know that we're still on the wrong side of the tracks. In other words, we have this bearish backtest where the price broke down below, comes up here to retest, gets rejected, comes back down. So when we have a bearish backtest leading into a key level, well, I wouldn't say it's a key level support, but leading into a support range, it's more likely to break down than up, especially when we have this lower and upper lead, working the price action down. So I know it's hard to want to short the bottom, and this feels like the bottom, but Bitcoin really looks like it wants to continue lower. And at this point here, MYRO is probably going to drop pretty hard if we do end up seeing, Bitcoin kind of go sideways and down. Bitcoin does recover. It might be a different story altogether, because we take a look at MYRO and how it performed recently. It's performing similarly to Bitcoin, just a little bit more sporadic, okay? But again, Bitcoin establishing higher highs and higher lows, whereas MYRO is essentially establishing parallel lows and inadvertent highs. It leads me to believe we're probably going to see the price continue lower. That's just my speculation here. Might consider a high risk leverage short with this coin, with low leverage, by the way, and low position sizing to ensure that we secure profits. But once more, this coin is definitely looking bearish. Not looking fantastic right now by any stretch. I hope this made sense. I described this correctly, though. Make sure if you do take a trade, in whichever direction, use low leverage, low position sizing. Make sure that you're not getting too far out there. And what I mean by low position sizing is that you should use no more than 5% of your total portfolio availability per trade. Okay, that's basically what it means. So if you're using too much per trade, you're going to be in a position where eventually you're going to just, 2 bad trades, your whole portfolio is gone. What's the point of that? You got to live to survive another day. That's what trading is all about. It's survival. And when the bull market emerges, then we survive. Then we might focus a little more on thriving. Okay, higher risk trades just because you have a stronger propensity for success. At this point, this is not looking good, folks. All right, no need to sugarcoat it. I hope this made sense. Thank you so much for watching. Again, if you want to trade this coin and others, jump on over to Bitunix, phenomenal exchange. CryptoCash.tech is a site link down below if you want to become a better trader as well. But no KYC or VPN here for Bitunix. They've been awesome to us. Thank you so much. We'll see you in the next one. Have a good rest of your day. Take care.